You can make real money on YouTube with AI in 2026. Yes, even if you've never made a video before. Yes, even if your channel just got demonetized. And yes, even if you live outside the United States. These AI methods do the heavy lifting for you. No camera, no editing skills, no AdSense required. And if you're in a country where shorts get millions of views, Method 1 is going to change everything for you. Stay to the end, and I will show you how these exact methods paid me over $250,000 on YouTube, starting from 0 subscribers, and still send me commissions every single month. I learned this system inside a community called the Online Business Club, and I am going to show you exactly how it works today. 5 methods. No audience required to start. Most creators are using AI completely backwards. They use AI to make more content, more videos, more posts, more output, and they still make no money. The problem was never the content. The problem was the monetization model. AdSense pays you $3 to $5 per 1,000 views. 100,000 views made you maybe $400. AI does not fix that math. But combine AI with affiliate marketing, digital products, and funnels, and every view is worth dramatically more. That is what these 5 methods are built on, a concept called revenue per view. And it is the reason I stopped chasing AdSense and started making real money. Method 1. AI Shorts Agency for other YouTubers. Every YouTuber knows they need to be posting shorts. YouTube is pushing shorts harder than ever in 2026. But most creators do not have time to cut up their long-form videos. That's where you come in. You take their 1-hour-long video, you run it per software like Opus Clip. Try it for free using my link in the description. In about 15 minutes, you have 10 to 20 short punchy clips ready to post. You add captions, you format for vertical, you send them back. You charge $500 to $1,500 per month on a retainer. Now you might be thinking, why would someone pay me when they can just buy the software themselves? Here's the answer. They can, but they won't. Think about it. Every YouTuber already knows they should be posting shorts. They have known for months, maybe years. They still are not doing it, not because they cannot afford Opus Clip, because they do not have time to learn it. They do not have time to log in every week. They do not have time to review the clips, add captions, and format for every platform. They are busy making their main content. You are not selling them software. You are selling them time. And time is the one thing money can always buy. A YouTuber making $5,000 a month will happily pay you $500 to get back 10 hours of their week. That is the value you are providing, not the tool, the time. 1 client is $1,000 per month. 5 clients is $5,000 per month. Working maybe 10 hours per week. The tools do most of the work. You are mostly reviewing, making small tweaks, and sending for approval. Now here is the question you are asking right now. How do I get my first client when I have no audience? Here is the exact first step. Go to YouTube right now. Search for creators in your niche who post long-form content but have no shorts on their channel. Send them a direct message. Tell them you notice they have great content but it is not being repurposed into shorts. Offer to do the first week completely free. Let the results speak for themselves. When they see the engagement go up, they will want to pay you. You do not need an audience to land your first client. You need 1 good message and 1 free week of results. Method 2. AI Digital Products. This is the most passive income method in this entire video. You use AI to create a digital product that solves a specific problem for your niche. For a faceless YouTube channel, that could be a faceless video checklist, a YouTube script bank, a prompt pack for creating affiliate review videos, a Notion template for tracking channel analytics. You create it once using ChatGPT or Claude. You package it in Canva. You sell it through your video description, your pinned comment, or a simple Gumroad page. It sells while you sleep. Here's the part most people miss. You do not need an audience to sell digital products on YouTube. You need buyer intent keywords. If someone searches Faceless YouTube channel checklist and your video shows up, that viewer is already looking to buy. They found you through search, not through your subscriber count. Here's the math. A $27 digital product selling 10 times a day is $270 per day. That is $8,100 per month. From one product created once with AI. Your exact first step. Open ChatGPT right now. Type this. Give me 10 digital product ideas for people who want to build a faceless YouTube channel. Under $30. Solving one specific problem each. Pick the one that solves the most obvious pain. Build it in Canva. List it on Gumroad for free. Put the link in your next video description. One product, one keyword, one link. That is your entire business on day one. And here is what most people do not realize about this method. The digital product you create becomes proof. You made it, you use it, you show it working. That authenticity is what converts viewers into buyers. Like and sub. This is hard, and that stuff motivates me. I know you're salivating for more methods. Method 3, AI Faceless Channel Automation. This is the method that started everything for me. You pick a niche with buyer intent. ChatGPT writes the script. Pictory turns the script into a video with visuals automatically. 11 Labs generates a professional AI voiceover. Pixels creates a thumbnail that gets clicks. You upload, you put your affiliate link in the description. The video works for you 24 hours a day. No camera, no editing, no face. Here is what makes this method so powerful in 2026. AI has cut the production time for a faceless video down to about 90 minutes. You can produce a video in the time it takes to watch a movie, and that video can make money for years. My first video made $18,864 from just 4,505 views. Made it in an afternoon. Here is the advanced play. You do not stop at one channel. You build multiple faceless channels in different niches. Each one is a digital asset. Each one generates passive income independently. Think of each channel as a rental property. You build it once. It pays you every month. Your exact first step. Pick one niche where people are already spending money. YouTube, business, health, wealth. Use ChatGPT to generate 10 video ideas with buyer intent keywords in that niche. Pick the strongest one. Make your first video using Pictory. Upload it with your affiliate link in the description. That is your first digital asset. 3 methods down, 2 to go. And here is something most people miss. These 5 methods are not 5 separate businesses. They are one system. Method 2 and Method 5 are designed to work together. Your digital product becomes your lead magnet. Your funnel captures the buyer. Method 5 closes the sale while you sleep. The more methods you stack, the more money each view makes you. That is revenue per view in action. Let me show you the last 2. Method 4, AI Niche Research and Validation. This is the method that gives you first mover advantage. Most creators pick niches that are already saturated. They make videos competing with channels that have been around for years, and they wonder why they're not getting views. The solution is to find niches before they get saturated. AI makes this faster than anything else available right now. Here is the system. Open ChatGPT. Type this. Give me 20 YouTube niches with high buyer intent, low competition, and existing affiliate products to promote. Focus on niches growing in 2026, but not yet saturated. ChatGPT gives you a list. You validate each niche by searching YouTube and checking how many videos exist on that topic. If the top videos have under 50,000 views and the channel sizes are small, that is a green light. You found a gap. Now use AI to find the exact buyer intent keywords within that niche. Type this. Give me 20 buyer intent keywords for the niche space on YouTube. Keywords someone would search when they are ready to buy a product or solution. Now you have a niche and a keyword list. You are not guessing. You are not copying what everyone else is doing. You are building in a space where you can win. First mover advantage means higher commissions, less competition, and faster growth. Here is the bonus play. Once you have validated a niche, you can sell that research as a digital product. A niche validation pack. The niche, the keywords, the affiliate products, the video ideas is something your audience will pay for. That is Method 2 and Method 4 working together. Method 5, YouTube funnel plus AI bot. This is the method that makes your income platform independent. Here's the problem with relying only on YouTube. YouTube can demonetize you. YouTube can change the algorithm. YouTube can decide your content violates a policy you did not know existed, and overnight your income disappears. The funnel fixes that. You use an AI website builder like Wix to build a simple funnel page for your channel. Try Wix for free using my link in the description. The page has one job: capture an email address in exchange for a free lead magnet. That lead magnet could be your digital product from Method 2, a free checklist, a free script template, a free niche research guide. The viewer watches your video, they click the link in your description, they land on your funnel page, they give you their email. You now own that relationship. YouTube cannot take it away. Here's where the AI bot comes in. You embed a simple chatbot on your funnel page. The bot answers questions about your channel, your products, and your affiliate offers 24 hours a day. Someone lands on your page at 2 a.m., the bot is there. It recommends the right product. It sends them to your affiliate link. You make a commission while you sleep. And here is the advanced play. Once you have built this funnel for your own channel, you can build it for other creators. One-time build fee of $500 to $1,500, plus a monthly maintenance retainer. That is Method 2 and Method 5 working together. Every method in this video can be combined with every other method. That is how the system scales. Let me answer the 4 questions I know are in your head right now. No audience. How do you get people to buy your stuff? You do not need an audience. You need buyer intent keywords. When someone searches Best Faceless YouTube Tools 2026, they are already looking to buy. Your video shows up in search. They watch, they click your link, they buy. My first video on this channel made $18,864 with 0 subscribers, 0 audience, just the right keyword and the right product. The search engine is your audience. What is the very first step for a complete novice? Open ChatGPT today. Ask it for 10 digital product ideas for your niche. Pick one, build it in Canva, list it on Gumroad, make one video about it using Pictory, upload it with your Gumroad link in the description. One product, one video, one link. Everything else builds from there. Does this work outside the United States, Caribbean, India, Philippines? Every single method in this video requires exactly 2 things: a laptop and Wi-Fi. That is it. Your location is not your limitation. Your system is. Affiliate commissions are paid digitally. Digital products are delivered digitally. Clients pay you digitally. I am a complete novice. Is this really for me? Being a novice is actually an advantage right now. No bad habits to unlearn. No old system to abandon. You get to build this the right way from day one. I started with 0 subscribers, 0 experience, 0 clients. The tools are better now than when I started. The products are better. The AI is better. The only thing standing between you and your first commission is starting. You could spend the next 6 months figuring all of this out on your own, testing niches, finding products, building funnels, making mistakes, or you could shortcut all of that. The product I personally use and recommend is the Online Business Club by Dave Nick. Dave is the person who introduced me to the revenue per view concept. The idea that a small audience with the right system is worth more than a massive audience chasing AdSense pennies. Hundreds of his students are making thousands of dollars a month. Everything I showed you today, the digital products, the shorts agency, the faceless channel automation, the niche research, the funnel, it all lives inside that one framework: revenue per view. Inside the Online Business Club, Dave breaks all of it down. New niches every week, new affiliate opportunities every week, new strategies every week. It is a live playbook that updates itself. And here is the bonus I am including when you join through my link: the Niche Quilting GPT. This is a custom AI tool that stitches your niche together with unrelated niches to create viral high-click video concepts. Think training like a Greek god or history's most expensive gyms. You never run out of video ideas. Dave Nick backs the whole thing with a crazy 90-day money-back guarantee if you don't make $1,000. So there is 0 risk. You either make $1,000 or you get your money back. It's a can't-lose situation. I'm an affiliate for the Online Business Club, but don't think of me as just an affiliate. Consider me your strategic partner on YouTube. I promised you the dashboard. Here it is. 4,505 views, over 80 sales, $18,864 in revenue, $229 per sale. AdSense would have paid me $40 for those same views. $40 with AdSense. Nearly $19,000 with this system. Same video, same views, completely different result. This is not theory. This is not a promise. This is a dashboard. And you can build the same thing. Here is your summary. Method 1, AI Shorts Agency. Turn long videos into shorts for other YouTubers. Method 2, AI Digital Products. Create once, sell forever. Method 3, AI Faceless Channel Automation. Build digital assets that pay you every month. Method 4, AI Niche Research and Validation. Find untapped niches before they get saturated. Method 5, YouTube Funnel plus AI Bot. Own your audience. Make money platform independent. 5 methods. No AdSense, no face, no audience required to start. Someone watching this right now is about to open ChatGPT and build their first digital product. Someone is about to send their first message to a YouTuber and land their first client. Someone is about to make their first $229 commission this week. Will it be you? If this video helped you, hit the like button. It helps more people find this content. Subscribe if you want to see more experiments like this. YouTube thinks you will really like the video on your screen, so you should definitely watch that. I will see you in the next one.